Meteorologist Jennifer Lambert is joining us now with the very latest. Jen.
Yeah, Lenny, so we had a lot of activity in the tropics today. 3 new named storms in just 12 hours, so something to be paying attention to. Let's go ahead and take a really wide look at what we currently have going on. Well, we have Teddy, which is a major hurricane just in the middle of the Atlantic, heading towards Bermuda. Also, we have a couple of waves just to touch on that 40%, that 20% over the next 5 days, so not looking highly likely. And then there's this new one today. So we did have Wilfred emerge earlier this morning as a tropical storm. We also have Alpha, and Alpha can't even fit on the map. Alpha is way off towards the coast of Portugal, but still is included in that Atlantic hurricane season. But also I want to touch on Beta just forming in the Gulf of Mexico, so quickly keeping an eye on this storm. So let's go ahead and check out the latest statistics on what it currently is doing. Right now the sustained winds 40 miles per hour, so again that tropical storm strength here, moving north-northeast at 9 miles per hour. So again in the Gulf, something to keep an eye on just further toward our south and to our west. What about that track? Well, it is looking good for us. Again, we just went through that Hurricane Sally, and we'd like to see it not going near us. Unfortunately, it is heading towards Texas, and it is expected to get up to that Category 1 hurricane strength by the time we get to Monday. So again, it's staying further away from us. That cone's still very wide. Louisiana even still within it, but not seeing Florida and also Alabama and Mississippi in this in either way. But let's go ahead and check to see where we are in the 2020 storm names. Again, quickly marking some of these off so far for today. We still have Teddy, still had Wilfred, but Wilfred formed today, Alpha storm today, Beta formed today, and we are quickly making our way through the Greek alphabet. Again, this has only been done once, and that was in 2005. So we'll see what 2020 has in store for us. But luckily here locally on the Gulf Coast, we do have some good weather on the way, but I'll have a full look at that cold front coming up next. Lenise.